Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a guide on fixing faded car paint. We will cover the causes, step-by-step restoration, product recommendations, advanced techniques, and long-term prevention. Why does car paint fade? Faded paint is caused by several environmental and maintenance factors. First, oxidation. Oxygen reacts with the paint, breaking down the clear coat over time. This results in a chalky, dull appearance. Second, UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to sunlight breaks down the paint's molecular structure. Red, black, and dark-colored cars fade faster due to heat absorption. Third, chemical contaminants. Bird droppings, acid rain, road salt, and tree sap can eat into the paint if left untreated. Hard water spots also contribute to fading. Fourth, improper cleaning methods. Using harsh detergents or automatic car washes with abrasive brushes wears down the paint's protective layer. Finally, lack of maintenance. Skipping waxing, polishing, and protective coatings allows oxidation to accelerate. Step-by-step process to restore faded car paint. If your paint is faded but not peeling, you can restore it without repainting using compounding, polishing, and sealing techniques. Step 1. Wash the car thoroughly. Cleaning removes dirt and contaminants that could interfere with restoration. What you need? pH-balanced car shampoo like Meguiar's Gold Class or Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink, a microfiber wash mitt, and the 2-bucket method, one for soap and one for rinsing. How to do it? Rinse the car to remove loose dirt. Use the 2-bucket method to prevent swirl marks. Work panel by panel using a microfiber mitt. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber towel. Step 2. Use a clay bar to remove contaminants. Even after washing, microscopic contaminants remain embedded in the paint. A clay bar removes these for a smooth finish. What you need: a clay bar kit like Mother's Clay Kit or Meguiar's Clay Bar, and detailing spray to use as a lubricant. How to do it? Spray detailing spray on a small section of the car. Glide the clay bar over the surface in straight line motions. Wipe off residue with a clean microfiber towel. Step 3. Apply a rubbing compound to remove oxidation. Rubbing compounds cut through oxidation and restore clarity. What you need? Rubbing compounds such as Meguiar's Ultimate Compound or Turtle Wax Rubbing Compound, a foam or microfiber applicator pad, and optionally a dual-action polisher for faster results. How to do it? Apply a small amount of rubbing compound to the applicator pad. Work in small sections about 2 by 2 feet, using circular motions. Wipe off excess product with a microfiber towel. If using a dual-action polisher, set it to low speed around 2500 to 3000 OPMs and apply light pressure. Step 4. Polish for a glossy finish. After compounding, polishing enhances depth and shine. What you need? Car polish like Meguiar's Ultimate Polish or 3M Perfect It, and a polishing pad or microfiber cloth. How to do it? Apply a small amount of polish onto a clean applicator pad. Spread evenly using circular motions. Buff with a microfiber towel once it dries. Step 5. Apply wax or paint sealant for protection. Waxing protects against future fading and locks in the shine. What you need? Carnauba wax like Turtle Wax or P21S Carnauba, and a synthetic sealant such as Chemical Guy's Jet Seal, which lasts longer than wax. How to do it? Apply a thin, even layer using an applicator pad. Let it dry to a haze. Buff with a microfiber towel. Advanced solutions for severe fading. If your paint is badly faded, patchy, or peeling, consider these options. First, wet sanding for heavily oxidized paint. This uses fine grit sandpaper somewhere between 1,500 and 3,000 grit to level the surface. It requires machine polishing afterward and is best done by professionals to avoid removing too much clear coat. Next, professional paint correction. This method uses multi-stage compounding and polishing with a rotary polisher, restoring shine even on badly neglected paint. Then, repainting the affected areas. If clear coat damage is severe, respraying may be the only option. A professional shop can match the original paint color. Finally, ceramic coating for long-term protection. This lasts 2 to 5 years and provides superior UV and chemical resistance, making it more durable than wax or sealants. How to prevent car paint from fading again. First, regular washing every 1 to 2 weeks. Always use a pH-balanced car shampoo and avoid dish soap, as it strips wax and dries out paint. Second, apply wax or sealant every 2 to 3 months. Wax adds a protective barrier against UV rays, while synthetic sealants last longer than natural wax. Third, park in the shade or use a car cover. Direct sunlight speeds up oxidation, so if parking outside, use a UV-resistant car cover. Fourth, use a UV protectant spray. Products like 303 Aerospace Protectant prevent sun damage. Lastly, avoid automatic car washes. Harsh brushes cause micro scratches. Touchless washes are safer, but hand washing is best. Final thoughts: mild fading, a rubbing compound and polish can restore it. Severe oxidation? Consider wet sanding or professional correction. Peeling clear coat? A respray may be necessary. For long-term protection, apply wax, sealant, or ceramic coating.